Start with a white base. I used Ultra Bright White from Dimes Nails. Then I used Mia's Secrets Blooming Gel, color 156 and 153 from Be Beauty Pure. I'm adding my colors to this little finger palette so I can drop the colors onto the nails fast. After you cured your white base, go ahead and apply the blooming gel. Don't cure the blooming gel. I've used a painting brush. It's not too small and also not too big to drop and swipe the colors on. Work fast. I'll show you why in a second. The faster you get the colors on there, the better the spread. See how the purple isn't spreading or moving much at all? Let's remove that part. Cure the part you're satisfied with. Apply blooming gel to the tie-dye part you already created. Now go in with the purple with smaller drops in the center of the turquoise. Now apply blooming gel to the section we removed earlier. See how beautifully it spreads when applied fast enough. Watch it spread, and when you're happy with how it looks, cute it in the lamp. Apply your matte top coat and cure. There you go, have fun with your tie-dye nail creations.